Okay guys, welcome back to Exploring Temecula today. Awesome video. We are doing Morgan Hills in Temecula, one of my favorite communities. There is so much to talk about. I'm at Morgan Hill Park right now, which is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the views behind me. Just amazing. Some really awesome amenities too for the HOA, which is 99 bucks a month. I'm going to go over some of that, give you some pros and cons of Morgan Hill, why you might want to move here, but it's definitely a place, regardless of what I'm saying on this video, that you should check out. Make sure that if you're interested in Temecula, subscribe below. We do 2 or 3 videos a week on the community, and also we are starting now every community that I do. For instance, Morgan Hill, in the description I'll have a link directly to an MLS search just in Morgan Hill. Let's get into the video. Subscribe, thank you, and here you go, Morgan Hill. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I wanted to show you where Morgan Hill actually was. Here is the 15 freeway. You're going to take the 79 pretty much all the way in to this area right here. And it's near the golf course, Red Hawk Golf Course. And here you are. Morgan Hill is in this area right here. Okay, so you've got Morgan Creek Park, Galeron Park. This park has really beautiful views, which I'm going to show you. And then there's the club, community club that I'm going to show you. So this area here, and the beautiful thing about Morgan Hills is a lot of the homes have gorgeous views of the hills out this way. Okay guys, so here is Morgan Hill Park. It's just like every other park pretty much in Temecula. It's awesome. Really well kept, no garbage anywhere, lush green grass, baseball field right behind me. I wanted to talk a little bit about what you get in Morgan Hills. First of all, tax rate's going to be a little more. It's going to be 2%. HOA is going to be $99, but you have access to all of these parks, and the clubhouse is absolutely beautiful with a pool and tennis courts. They do have events at the clubhouse. So really, it's a fun community to belong to. Yeah, so here we are, Morgan Hills. Next, I'm going to show you the clubhouse and what that has to offer. I really wanted to show you some drone shots today, but it's so windy. I don't want my drone to blow away. Guys, there you have it, Morgan Hill community, amazing here. I have to say, I wanted to go over a few pros and cons, or things that you might want to think about. Number one, I guess it could be a con, but if you are working along the 15 freeway up or down, or if you commute for work, it is a little farther from the 15, so just keep that in mind. Another thing, again, I mentioned it earlier, but the tax rate is 2%, but really for what you get here and for the just the overall vibe and what it offers, you really need to at least come and see it. So again, check in the description for the home search Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, Exploring Temecula. Until next time, and by the way, I guess you probably already figured out if this is the first video, I am broker owner here at Greenleaf Real Estate in Temecula. My wife is a licensed appraiser, so we have you covered no matter what you need. Until next time, Exploring Temecula, thank you.